Tell you about my lesson that I'm going to film tomorrow. We just ended Module 3 in Engage New York, first grade math, and we are going to start Module 4. I already took a pre-test on Friday, and I usually take a pre-test and a post-test, and we decide whether they grew or not. So we've already taken that, and now we are jumping right into Module 4. So this is going to build on some previous modules. This module is all about teen numbers and really numbers up to 40. We're building that fluency, and we're really going to focus on breaking numbers down in tens and ones. So tomorrow what we're going to do, and in my class, what a typical day looks like in math, we have a 50-minute allotted time for math. So it does go pretty fast. What we do the workshop model, but how it works in my math class is we start off with usually a hook, and that could mean whiteboards on the carpet, that could mean an activity at our desk, that could mean group counting, just something to get them engaged. So that's about the first 5 minutes, and tomorrow we're going to do some happy counting. We might break some things down into number bonds, things like that they already know to build on their fluency. And then we're going to go from there, and we are going to do an application problem where I will demonstrate a problem. On the board I have a PowerPoint, and I do have some interactive worksheets that usually go with it in their math journals, but tomorrow we're just going to do an application problem on the board. This is a time where I just do the teaching. And then we go into some concept development. This could look like a lot of different things. Tomorrow it's going to look like they're at their desks, and I want them to be using manipulative, so they're going to be using snap cubes. There's going to be 2 different partners. One partner is going to have one color, and another partner is going to have another color, and they're going to be building tens and ones. So that's going to be really great. It also goes along with my PowerPoint, so that they have that visual. After that, we are going to break off into our math groups. They each have a designated math group, triangle, rectangle, square, circle. They know these math groups, they know where they sit, and these math groups are based off of my data. It's accumulation of things. One, it's my iReady data scores. Their iReady scores. We just took another iReady test, so I just modified it, their groups a bit. And it's based off of their test in my class, and on weekly data that I collect, usually via exit tickets or mid-module assessments and things of that sort. So these groups are their level. They will do their problem set as a group. When they are done with their problem set, they have these differentiated math bins. Let me grab them for you. This is a great example of my math bin. So each math bin has some standards. This is the square group. They have targets that are written out for them, and then they have multiple centers. This is egg equivalent expressions. We have fill in the missing number pumpkins, fill in the missing number donuts, just things that they need to build their learning targets in past modules, and things that I would like to see them grow in. So each station has about 7 centers, and when they're done, they know that they can use any of those centers. I also have 2 bonus centers that I open up from time to time that they're allowed to utilize. So you'll see this tomorrow. My data collection portion will be their problem set. Sometimes I give exit tickets. Tomorrow it'll be their problem set, and I'm going to go around and be with each group. Tomorrow the triangle group does get me for guided math. So once they're finished with their math problem set, and if they finish their math problem set, then we'll jump into some fluency, some number fluency from 1 to 10. This is my numbers and operation group that really need to work in that category. So that's kind of what you'll see tomorrow. My hope is that I'm providing some high-level thinking with some high-level support by using manipulatives, by providing differentiated groups, providing a clear model. So those are some things that I hope you see tomorrow, and I will do a debrief afterwards. Thanks for watching.